ट्वेल्थ क्लास की इकोनॉमिक्स बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग लग रही है, समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या पढ़े, कहां से पढ़े। हमारे पास आपके लिए सोल्यूशन है। आज हम इस वीडियो में इकोनॉमिक्स ट्वेल्थ का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक शुरू करने वाले हैं, यूजिंग आई प्रेप एनिमेशंस। तो टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करना है, जस्ट लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Classification of receipts and expenditure. Revenue receipts and capital receipts of the government budget. For the revenue receipts, the liabilities or assets have not been created. These types of proceedings of taxes, rate of interest or dividend on any government bond or securities, cess or any other receipts for the services as provided by the government. They are the current income receipts from various sources and shown as the means of government expenditure. The capital receipts are the outcomes of creating liabilities or borrowing and reducing assets or disinvestment. That is why the raising of funds by the government by incurring a liability or by disposing of some assets are entitled as capital assets. In the case of revenue receipts, government is not bound to return the amount in future, that is, they are non-redeemable. But the capital receipts are intrinsically borrowing, so they must be paid along with interest. Revenue expenditure of the government budget. Similarly, the revenue expenditure neither creates assets nor reduces liability like the salaries of the employees, interest payment of past debt, etc. They are paid out by the revenue receipts. In order to maintain the government machinery, these expenditures are incurred. In general, all of such grants provided to state governments by the centre are thus treated as revenue expenditures. However, some of those would create assets in cases going forward. Capital expenditure of the government budget. The expenditure for purchasing the land, investing in the shares, and the repayment of the loans to state government, other foreign governments, and other companies, other cash payments, and acquisition of valuables are the capital expenditure. They are usually for longer periods, mainly associated with real capital or financial assets. The capital stocks are added through these types of expenditure and increase its future productivity as well. Capital expenditures are incurred from the capital receipts of government, including capital transfers from outside of the country too.
आओ, ये तो कमाल हो गया। इतने कम टाइम में इकोनॉमिक्स ट्वेल्थ का एक फंडा तुमने समझ भी लिया और फन भी हो गया साथ में। यही तो फायदा है आई प्रेप की एनिमेशंस का। ऐसी और वंडरफुल एनिमेशंस देखने के लिए और साथ साथ तुम्हारे जो पेन पॉइंट्स हैं, जैसे नोट्स है, जैसे प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए हुए इस सुपर ऐप के लिंक को डाउनलोड करना मत भूलना। और अगर कहीं मेरी डिटेल वीडियो देखनी है तो वो भी वहीं पे तुम्हें इजीली मिल जाएगी। सो कीप ऑन लर्निंग। टिल देन, बाय बाय।